Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to use speech to text on Google Doc. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for docs.google.com. After that, sign into your account and you will be sent to the home page. Here, all of your recent documents will be present, so either open one from here or just create a new blank one. Now, navigate to the Tools tab at the top of your screen and then select Voice Typing from the drop-down menu. You can also press the Ctrl-Shift-S keys on your keyboard to access it directly. Regardless of the way, once you click on it, a floating recorder button will appear on your screen. Now, make sure that the language you prefer is selected. If it is, click on the recorder and a pop-up will appear on your screen that will ask you to allow microphone usage. Simply allow it and then again click on the microphone button to start using it. Once done, start speaking and whatever you say will appear on your screen. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.